Am I ready? Okay, cool. Well, okay, I'm good. This is so scary. Okay, hi YouTube. Okay. Um, YouTube doesn't say hi back. Okay. Um, this is my first time posting an actual video on YouTube. I hope you guys like the videos that I post afterwards. It's kind of cool. Right now I'm in Starbucks and it's kind of hectic because I'm actually studying and doing my homework and taking a break. So, okay. So as you guys get to become familiar with my channel, I'll be posting some like very much, I guess, personal notes, if you would like to say. Thank you. Okay, let's see. To me, to Mel, shout outs to you for like actually letting me do this. The whole me posting our videos up. Hopefully, people think it's as funny as we think it's funny. Love you guys. Thanks YouTube. Peace out. YouTube doesn't say bye back, does it? Love you.